Okay guys, I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you my record toolkit. Now you may think that's kind of bizarre. Now this is a very tactile hobby that we've talked about many times, and I found over several months of doing this that I was accumulating the need for various parts and accessories and tools, and then I took this little plastic desk organizer and just started populating it with different things that I need. So I thought I'd go through this, kind of show you what each compartment is and why I have these things and why you might want to start having them as well. Over here in the corner, I started collecting these little stylus replacements. There's diamond ones, sapphire ones. A lot of times these come with record players, so they're nice to have on hand. And I've just accumulated them. So much so, in fact, in here I've got little clips and covers for different sizes. I've even got complete styli in here. Here's the Grotto Gold Prestige, and keeping the cover on it here, and then you can just safely put them in here. Here's a variant of Audio Technica cartridge. So I've got styli, I've got covers, I've got complete cartridges as well. I've also...
This is where the pistachios go.
Thank you. That's not where I like to keep my pistachios, but thank you very much. Over here I've got my 45 RPM adapters. I like the fun, colorful ones. I also like the metal ones as well. My least favorite are the stock ones, that come with your record player. But make it fun, you guys. I mean, 45 RPM adapters that are colorful are fun as well. Sometimes things fall into the wrong compartment. I also like to keep these little rubber bands that come with the cartridges, and sometimes little bread ties and little twisty things to kind of help keep things organized. And over here next to my pistachios, I also have a collection of screws for cartridges and little odds and ends pieces that come out. Over here I keep a cheap pair of headphones. I picked these up somewhere along the line, and it's just good for quick testing to make sure there's signal. In here I've also got a random Apple power supply and a small collection of stylus brushes. Some are microfiber, some are just cheapo ones. But it's always good to keep, little brushes and things on hand, and they work really, really well. I've also got a belt key on here. We've talked about this. Some turntables where you have to move the belt to a different cog. You can keep the thing in order and not have to touch the belt by using the key. Next, I've got USB drives. I keep all the memory in here. So SD cards from the cameras, USB drives. This is kind of cool. This is an external sound card. You just plug it into your computer, and it greatly... I use this when we had this old Lenovo computer that did terrible. It had a terrible audio card, and so I was able to use this to really increase the sound. It also gives you a line input, which a lot of computers these days don't have. So that's important. In this middle section here, I keep my belts. So I've got an extra U-turn belt. Here's a flat belt. And just kind of random things in this center compartment. I've got a random motor. I'll probably never need to replace it, but it's kind of a neat demonstration piece. This is the motor out of a typical entry-level suitcase player type of unit. I've also got my Ortofon stylus gauge. So this is what we measure the tracking force. It's an old analog kind of seesaw type of gauge. Not fancy. It's not like one of those fancy digital ones, but it does the trick. Here's another runaway cartridge. Here's another little stylus brush kit that was too big to fit in the other compartment. This is alcohol for use in cleaning tape heads, or we used it actually in the other show today to clean out that noisy potentiometer. So it's just isopropyl alcohol. Here's some more stylus cleaning solution. Again, it's just going to be alcohol. I have a couple of these guys right here, and I love these. These are the Hudson Hi-Fi stylus cleaners, and it's like a sticky gel. And you gently dip your stylus in there, and it instantly cleans all the gunk off of your stylus. So those are good to have. I've got a random BNC to RCA adapter. I have no idea. Little cable adapters and things of that nature. Over here, we've got little screwdrivers and tools. These are invaluable. The actual tools that you need. Sometimes you need bigger tools, which I just keep in we have like a tool drawer. But little tiny ones for replacing head shells and cartridges and things. Those come in very, very handy. Over here I've got some larger things. I've got these clamshell mitts from Hudson Hi-Fi. These are like the little felt lined mitts that you can use to grab records without scratching them. And I also keep, you know, lens cloths or, you know, just gentle, they're cloths, okay. They're like cloths to clean your glasses or to clean a record with it or to clean camera lenses. I've got one of two, I've got another TDK one, but this is my Crosley tape head cleaner. Looks like a cassette tape, but it's really just got material that allows you to put some of that cleaner on there, and then it cleans your tape heads. You just pop it in like a regular cassette tape, hit play, and then it drags the solution on these cleaning pads across the head and cleans out that as well as the cap stands. Here's the record roller. It's like a gummy record roller, lint roller thing for cleaning records. The stickiness is starting to wear down, unfortunately, which is a bummer. I wish I could just tear off a layer like a lint roller and keep it sticky, but all you can do, and the same thing goes for these guys too. All you can do to clean them is really put them under some warm tap water, and you know, they have a period of time they're going to last, and then it's over with. I've also got some brushes that aren't in here, some felt brushes, but these are my favorite, the carbon fiber brushes. They do a great job. They're rigid, they're anti-static, they can demagnetize your record. And then a long time ago, if you guys have been around for a long time, you'll remember this is my first brush. It's literally a makeup brush, and I used it to kind of clean out the grooves there. But you know what? It's good to have little brushes and things. You never know when you're going to dust out little nooks and crannies and whatnot. So anyway, there it is. That's my tool chest. That's my little tool kit for the record hobby that I am in. And it helps with tapes and even CDs and other things. You never know what you're going to need. Not a good place to keep your nuts, but sometimes apparently they wind up in here as well. So tell me about what you guys use for tools. Do you guys have like a little, you know, record vinyl tool chest that you have to service things? Because like I said, it's a very tactile hobby, so you're gonna find yourself making repairs, adjustments, and things of that nature, and you're gonna accumulate those tools. So tell me about yours in the comments below. We'll check it out, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.